Welcome to everyone. My name is V. Udayashree, lecturer in chemistry in method. Today I will discuss about topic amines. Topic amines. Amines are most important organic compounds in organic chemistry. Amines which containing functional group is bond NH2. Bond NH2. If compound which containing bond NH2 group is called amines. First of all, I will discuss learning objectives of amines. At the end of this chapter, students will able to recognize and name of amines. Second one, predict the reactivity of amines as bases and nucleophiles. Third one, recognize the basic properties such as structure, physical and chemical properties of amines. Fourth one, recognize the different method for the preparation of amines. The last objective is now the chemical reactions of amines. So, first of all, I will discuss first objective, what are amines. Amines are the derivatives of ammonia in which one or more hydrogen atoms is replaced by alkyl group. So, amines are the derivative of ammonia. In ammonia molecule which containing 3 hydrogens and 1 unshared pair of electrons. In this ammonia, nitrogen atom which containing 3 hydrogens. These 3 hydrogens are replaced by one or more alkyl groups. They form amines. Okay. First, if you take ammonia molecule, it reacts with alkyl halide. Here, hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group. Then converted to RNH2. So, RNH2 is called amine. Ammonia reacts with alkyl halide, then it is converted to amines. So, the structure of amine is RNH2. Okay. Next, second objective is structure of amines. Second objective is structure of amines. Like ammonia, nitrogen atom of amine is trivalent. So, amines which contain 3 alkyl groups, 1 unshared pair of electrons. So that it is trivalent and carries unshared pair of electrons. So, nitrogen orbital in amines are sp3 hybridized and the structure is trigonal pyramidal. sp3 hybridized and trigonal pyramidal. Each of 3 sp3 hybridized orbitals of nitrogen overlap with orbitals of hydrogen or carbon depending upon the composition of the amines. The fourth orbital of nitrogen in all amines containing unshared pair of electron. So, due to the presence of unshared pair of electrons, the bond angle is less than 109.5 degree. So, amines are sp3 hybridized state. Structure is trigonal bipyramidal which containing 1 unpaired electron and bond angle is less than 109.5 degrees. Okay. Next objective is classification of amines. Amines are classified into 3 types. Depending upon the alkyl groups. So, first one primary amine. If one hydrogen atom is replaced by alkyl group is called primary amine. Second one, secondary amines. If 2 alkyl groups are attached to nitrogen atom to form secondary amines. Tertiary amines. If 3 alkyl groups are attached to nitrogen atoms to form tertiary amines. For example, methyl amine. The bond NH2 group which containing only one CH3, it is called primary. Second example, the nitrogen atom is attached to 3 alkyl groups, it is secondary. The nitrogen atom which contain 3 alkyl groups, it is tertiary. So primary, secondary and tertiary. So first, if you take ammonia, if you take ammonia, NH3 lone, NH3 lone pair, it reacts with one molecule of alkyl halide. Here one hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group, then converted to RNH2. Okay, these RNH2 react with another molecule of alkyl halide, then converted to R2NH. These R2NH react with another molecule of alkyl halide, then converted to R3N. Okay, R3N. So ammonia react with alkyl halide, then converted to primary amine or NH2. These primary amine react with RCl, then converted to secondary amine. Secondary amine react with another molecule of alkyl halide, then converted to tertiary amine. Okay, next water amines. Water amines are derivatives of ammonia. Okay, amines hybridization is sp3 hybridization, trigonal pyramidal structure, bond angle is less than 109.5 degrees centigrade. Amines are classified into 3 types: primary, secondary, tertiary, depending upon the alkyl groups. So the next objective is preparation of amines. It is very important topic in amines. These are very important topic in amines. Amines are prepared in laboratory. Today we learn few generally used preparations are the most important preparations of amines are reactions of alkyl halide with ammonia. Second one is Gabriel-Thalamide method. It is very important method for preparation of amine. Second one, reduction of nitroalkanes, reduction of nitriles, reduction of oxides, and sixth one is reduction of isonitriles. Seventh one is reduction of amides. Eighth one is reduction of amination of aldehydes and ketones, reduction of azides. Next, another important method is Hofmann degradation of method. This method is used to separation of different types of amines. Last one is reduction of acylides reaction. Okay, so first I discuss about first one is reaction of alkyl halides with ammonia to form amines. It is one of the most important of reaction in amines. Okay, so first these are also called as aminolysis. Alkyl halides react with alcoholic solution of ammonia to form amines. Alkyl halides means the compound which containing halogens. These are also called as alkyl halides, which react with alcoholic solution of ammonia, then converted to amines. So, for example, aminolysis of alkyl halides. This method is also called as Hofmann method. This reaction is called Hofmann method. Okay. So, first, if you take RX, it reacts with RX means alkyl halide. So, alkyl halide react with ammonia. In alkyl halide, the halogen atom has negative charge and alkyl group has positive charge. So, halogen atom has negative charge, alkyl group is positive charge. This react with ammonia. Here one hydrogen atom is replaced by RNH2. It is primary amine. This primary react with another molecule of alkyl halide, then converted to secondary. Secondary is converted to tertiary. Tertiary is converted to quaternary. So for example, if you take methyl chloride, methyl CH3Cl, it react with ammonia. Methyl chloride, it react with ammonia. In methyl chloride, the carbon which containing 3 hydrogen atoms. So here one hydrogen react with ammonia molecule, then converted to, for example, methyl chloride react with ammonia, methyl chloride react with ammonia, removal of HCl, then converted to methyl CH3NH2. These CH3NH2 react with second molecule of methyl chloride. These methyl chloride react with methylamine, removal of HCl, then converted to dimethylamine. Dimethylamine. These are also called as secondary amine. These dimethylamine react with another molecule of methyl chloride, then converted to trimethylamine. Trimethylamine. This reaction is called Hofmann method. In this method, primary, secondary, tertiary alkyl amines are prepared. Next, second one, Gabriel-Thalmaide method. Gabriel-Thalmaide method is one of the important preparation of amines. It is very useful method. This involves the treatment of thalamide with potassium hydroxide to form the potassium salt. Okay, thalamide react with KOH. Thalamide react with KOH, then converted to potassium thalamide. Potassium thalamide react with alkyl halide to form N-ethyl thalamide. These N-ethyl thalamide on hydrolysis in the presence of KOH, then converted to potassium phthalate. These on hydrolysis then converted to phthalic acid plus amine. For example, thalamide C6H4COONH. Thalamide react with KOH. KOH removal of H plus and OH minus to form water, then converted to potassium thalamide. These potassium thalamide react with alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. Here potassium has plus charge. In alkyl group, chlorine has negative charge. So then removal of KCl. Removal of KCl. Then converted to N-alkyl. N-alkyl. R means alkyl. N-alkyl thalamide. These N-alkyl thalamide on hydrolysis then converted to phthalic acid and amine. N-alkyl thalamide converted to acid, phthalic acid plus amine. Okay. Next, third one, reduction of nitroalkane. What are reduction? Reduction means addition of hydrogens. Nitroalkanes means the carbon compounds which containing NO2 group is called nitroalkanes. So, reduction of nitroalkanes, primary amines can be obtained by reduction of nitroalkanes with nickel or platinum. CH3CH2NO2 is nitroethane react with 3H2 in the presence of platinum. On reduction, then it is converted to CH3CH2NH2. It is primary amine, ethyl amine plus 2H2O. Ethylamine plus 2H2O. Next preparation, reduction of nitriles. Nitrile means cyanides are also called as nitriles. Cyanides means C triple bond N is called cyanides. Primary amines can be obtained by reduction of nitriles with nickel or platinum, then converted N-propyl amine. For example, ethyl cyanide CH3, CH2, C triple bond N plus 2H2 in the presence of platinum. Platinum is a reducing agent. Then ethyl cyanide react with hydrogen 2H2, then converted to CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2, and propylamine. N-propyl is also primary amine. Next, fifth preparation, reduction of oxides. Oxides means double bond NOH group is called oxides. Double bond NOH group is called oxides. Primary amines can be obtained by reduction of nitriles with NAR platinum. So here propionaldehyde oxide CH3, CH2, CH double bond NOH plus 2H2 in the presence of platinum to form N-propylamine. Formula is CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2 plus H2. Next, sixth preparation, reduction of isonitriles. Nitriles means cyanides is called nitriles. Isocyanates means isocyanate is also called as isonitriles. Secondary amines may be obtained by reduction of isonitrile with platinum. For example, ethyl isocyanate. Ethyl isocyanate react with 2H2. In the presence of platinum. Platinum is a reducing agent. Then converted to N-methyl ethylamine. N-methyl ethylamine. This is the preparation for primary amines and secondary amines. Next, seventh one, reduction of amides. Amides means CONH2 group is called amides. CONH2 group is called amides. Primary amines can be obtained by reduction of simple amides with lithium aluminium hydride. Lithium aluminium hydride is a reducing agent. Example, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, NH2 plus 2H2 is converted to, in the presence of LiAlH4, removal of water molecule to form CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. This is called propylamine. Next, another important reaction is reduction of alkyl azides. Reduction of alkyl. Primary alkyl halides react with sodium azide. Azide means N3 group is called azide. N3 group is called azide. Primary alkyl halides react with sodium azide to form alkyl azides. Alkyl azides on reduction with aluminium hydride. On reduction with lithium aluminium hydride LiAlH4 to give primary amine. For example, CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. It is called propionaldehyde. These propionaldehyde react with NaN3 sodium azide in the presence of ethanol. Ethanol means C2H5OH. In the presence of ethanol, then it is converted to alkyl azide CH3, CH2, CH2, N3. Here a removal of NaCl. Removal of NaCl then converted to alkyl azides. These alkyl azides on reduction in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride then converted to primary amine, that is CH3 CH2 CH2 NH2 plus N2. Reduction of alkyl azides. Primary alkyl halides react with sodium azide to form alkyl azide. Removal of NaCl. These alkyl azide on reduction in the presence of LiAlH4. Removal of N2 then converted to primary amine. The example CH3 CH2 CH2Cl. Propionaldehyde react with NaN3 then converted to propioalkyl azides. These propioazides on reduction in the presence of LiAlH4 is converted to propylamine. Next, last, another important reaction for preparation of amines is Hofmann degradation method. So, in Hofmann degradation method is also called as Hofmann degradation of amide. Aliphatic or aromatic amides react with bromine and potassium hydroxide to form primary amine. Aliphatic or aromatic amides react with bromine and potassium hydroxide to form primary amine. CH3CONH2 plus Br2 plus KOH on heating then converted to CH3NH2 methylamine plus K2CO3 plus 2KBr plus 2H2O. So, mechanism. In the first step, CH3CONH2. CH3CONH2 react with Br2. Br2 means Br minus Br plus, partial positive and partial negative. This react with NH2 group. A removal of HBr. Removal of HBr, then converted to N-bromoamide. In the first step, to form N-bromoamide. This N-bromoamide react with KOH. In the second step, N-bromoamide CH3 C double bond O NHBr react with KOH. Removal of water molecule. Then converted to CH3 C double bond O N minus Br plus H2O. In the third step, CH3 C double bond O N minus Br is converted to electron deficient nitrogen ion. In third step, inverse the separation of halide ion to form electron deficient nitrogen atom. So, this one is electron deficient nitrogen atom. This electron deficient nitrogen atom on rearrangement of methyl group. Here, electron deficient nitrogen atom. In this reaction, here the methyl group is rearranged to form methyl isocyanide. In the fourth step, methyl group migrated from carbon to nitrogen. Migrated from carbon to nitrogen. Here CH3 group is added to nitrogen, then converted to CH3N triple bond C double bond O, CH3 and double bond C double bond O. These on hydrolysis in the presence of alkali, then converted to primary amine. Then converted to primary amine. H2O. Then converted to CH3NH2 plus CO2. It is very important reaction for preparation of amines. Okay. Properties of amines. Amines, lower ones are gaseous state. Primary amines with 3 or more carbon atoms are liquid in state. Still, higher ones are solids. So, at ordinary temperature, lower members are gaseous state. The amines are liquids. Amines having higher molecular weight. They are colorless and odorless. Primary and secondary amines are higher boiling points than tertiary. Solubility. Lower members are soluble in water. Higher members are soluble in organic solvents. Next topic, basicity of amines. Amines act as Lewis base. Amines act as Lewis base because it does not lone pair of electrons to form a new bond to hydrogen atom. RNH2 plus H2O gives RNH3 plus OH minus. RNH2 plus H2O on equilibrium with RNH3 plus OH minus. Kb is equal to concentration of RNH3 into concentration of OH minus by RNH2. If the basic strength at the time of equilibrium shifted to right and the Kb value is higher, then the strength of basic is measured in terms of pK value. More than pK value indicates more basic. RNH3 plus H2O gives H3O plus RNH2. Kb is equal to H3O, concentration of H3O into concentration of RNH2 by RNH3. Measurement of amine basicity through acidity of conjugated acids. Equilibrium shifted to right and pK value will be greater for conjugation. Next one, basic character of amines. The basic character of amines is due to the presence of unshared electron pairs on nitrogen atom. The basic character of amines is due to the presence of unshared pair on nitrogen atom. Due to this nitrogen atom in amines accept protons. Due to this nitrogen atom in amines accept proton. For example, ammonia, primary amine, tertiary amine, secondary amine. These are containing nitrogen atom. Nitrogen atom has a one lone pair of electron or unshared pair of electron. Due to plus I effect of alkyl group. In primary, secondary, tertiary amines which contain alkyl group. These alkyl group shows plus I effect. I effect means inductive effect. The nitrogen atom becomes strongly electronegative. Due to this, the lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom is more readily available in ammonia. So, amines are stronger base than ammonia. The basicity of amines should increasing in number of alkyl groups. If alkyl group is increasing in nitrogen atom, the basicity of amines are increases. But the actual decreasing order of basic strength is secondary, primary, tertiary. So the tertiary amines are more basic than secondary amines. Secondary amines are more basic than primary amine due to the presence of alkyl groups. Substitution effect on basicity. Alkylation. Any factor that increases electron density in nitrogen atom. Example, ammonia is least basic. Alkyl group having electron density, hence alkyl group adds electron density means alkylated ammonia is strong base. So ammonia is less basic. Okay, next. Basicity of amines. Diethylamine pK value of conjugated acid is 10.98. Dimethylamine 10.64. Ethylamine 10.63. Triethylamine 10.65. Dimethylamine 10.93. Substitution of comparative basic strength of ammonia, methylamine, dimethylamine and trimethylamine. In all these compounds, unshaded pair of electron present on nitrogen atom. So these are basic in nature. Okay, methyl group in alkyl group is, that is, plus I effect group. So increasing the number of alkyl group causes an increasing the basic strength. So the trimethylamine must be highly basic molecule due to the presence of 3 alkyl groups are present in the nitrogen atom. But due to steric effect, trimethylamine is less basic because increasing the order of basic strength of these amines is trimethylamine is less basic than ammonia. Ammonia is less basic than methylamine. Methylamine is less basic strength than dimethylamine. Ammonia is not having alkyl groups. Okay, next, another objective is properties of amines or reactions of amines or reactivity of amines. So first one, salt formation. Amines are bases and it react with mineral acids to form ammonia. CH3, CH2, NH2 plus HCl gave CH3, CH2, NH3Cl, ethyl ammonium chloride. CH3, NH2, methyl amine on alkylation CH3HI, then it is converted to CH3 taken twice NH. Trimethyl amine react with ethyl iodide, removal of HI, then converted to trimethyl amine. This trimethyl amine react with methyl iodide, then it is converted to quaternary ammonium salt. So primary amines react with alkyl halide to form secondary, tertiary amines and quaternary ammonium salt. Next property, acylation. RNH2 primary amine react with alkyl acyl chloride. RCOCl, removal of HCl, then it is converted to RNHCOR dash or R1. RNHCOR1. N-acyl amine. Secondary amine react with RCOCl, then converted to R2NCOR1. Tertiary amine R3N react with RCOCl, N-acyl amine, no reaction. So in acylation, primary amines react with acid chlorides, then it is converted to N-acyl amines. Secondary amine also react with acyl chloride, then it is converted to secondary NN-acyl amines. Tertiary amines do not react with acyl chloride. This is acylation reaction. Aromatic amines are on acylation, then converted to benzyl acylamines. C6H5NH2 plus C6H5COCl, removal of HCl, then it is converted to C6H5NHCO C6H5. These are acylation reactions.